Now, we have a tune, and we don't even know how it sounds, because that's the way. That's right. We have no idea how it sounds because we've never heard what the hell he's gonna do, but it's still gonna be all right. Now, Mike, make a profound statement.
Booyah, introduce the sound that'll ruin ya, screwing ya in more ways than Todd Smith be doing ya, pursuing the K to the O. It's like who in the hell left the gate open? In other words, you ain't ready for these lyrical nightmares we giving out like Freddy. Machete for those who slept heavy, readily falling behind, steadily sucking mine like spaghetti. A pimp you think we toss a jam like confetti.
U-N-I-T-Y, Mike and I on the M-I-C, plus Russ on the keys makes 3, completes the K-O to the T. I execute the style freely, easily. I approach the mic leisurely. Epitome of music, you ask who's that? MC squared and sound man extraordinaire. Miscellaneous material collaboration, instantaneous, spontaneous. That which is unpredictable, unexpected, of no deliberate origin, made material by some random force. Or in the case of creativity, an imaginative spark that emerges from nowhere, but somehow seems to solidify the creative effort into a work of art. Spontaneity. Get it off now. Feeling this. K to the O. That's all you know.
Now you crossed the wrong line and fine. You're behind, intertwined in the rhyme. We niggas should know the time if you're real. We pack Mike Steel to cause damages. Soft from seeds, I eat them like egg sandwiches. For the trouble, bust your bubble. Bubblicious, delicious, check the flavor.
Flavor check. Now you savor selections from collective thoughts of intellect that intersect. Yet I won't begin with no sexual innuendos or dark back streets with foggy windows, flipping Cadillacs from a Pinto, Karamin Indo smoke choking on, blowing out the window, blowing simplified version of extended mental, coincidentally extends from the existential, breathing life into the mic.
To the I, D to the Amy and the 2 illest. God created Homo sapiens to provide the lyrical royale like a regal, dangerous deception like the speed of a diesel. So ease on down the yellow road if it's grim, cause we dunking on these brothers, I'll be hanging on the rim.
Clear the phlegm, no time for metaphoric speeches. Rock produced it, my logic amplified acoustics without the use of rhetoric. Known to crack, but back it up real quick. Acting up will get you slit to say the least.
Relax, relate, release, incredible the flow, delivery like domino. Got your shorty bouncing at the party like it's Zydeco. Living for my rhyme like LL and his radio. Here we go, pop, you can't stop like a Pringle. Behold a single to make your head and shoulders tingle.
With lyrical delinquency indecently increasing the frequency. Speaking free first of all, cause lyrically when I design a rhyme I tend to be finicky. Your lyrics have no function, no instructions, no assembly. Too many men pretend to be the men of the century, and anally we all lose virginity, essentially. Too many have been cursed with universal proximity, reptilian tongues with the rash of obscenities. Consider me the symphony of those who show no sympathy when sap sounds are getting capped down like the Kennedys. Especially with whack MCs, it's facsimiles, copycatting bastards, none can surpass us.
It's my turn to burn them seeds into ashes, blowing up spots with shots of fatal gashes, coming out blasting verbally any fool that be asking. Certainly you can get some
of this metaphorical enforcer, sorcerer of semantics, wizard of wicked wordplay, grand champion of grammatical acrobatics. My sound comes down like Ron Brown in the Adriatic. See, the lyrics leave you in awe. Can't describe my sound, it's got this certain je ne sais quoi. Round without a flaw, KOs to keep it raw for the show. K to the O, that's all you know.